try one more example. Let me copy this, and here we will be getting the response. I want to check what all as everything is available in the response. Before we were only getting the status code. Now I want to collect all the response which is available. So what I will be doing, I will be writing system.out.println resp.asString. I will be getting the response as a string and save this and run this test-ng test. This is all the response you have got. It is a JSON file. As I've already told before that REST APIs can work with JSON as well as XML, but the recommended is JSON. Let us read this. It is very hard to read this, that coordinates. It means that coordinates, these are the latitude, longitude. It will be the same. The response would be same as it is given here. It is not so much readable. So we have tools which can easily parse the JSON. Much available offline tools as well as online. So check this online JSON reader. Open this first link, okay, and let us paste our text file here and click on viewer. You will see a hierarchy of JSON file is given. That under JSON there are coordinates, weather, main, wind and clouds. If you check here, similar. Under the JSON there will be coordinates, weather, base, main, wind, clouds, rain, snow. So similarly we have here. If you want to check the coordinates, swipe and check. If you want to check the weather, expand it. It is very easy. Sometimes we have hundred of data. In that case, these readers are very much helpful. Also, when we want to find the JSON path, we will be studying what the JSON path in the later sections. We were checking the London. So what we can say, the London latitude, longitude is this. It's about the clouds. Yes, it's all clouds. Wind is flowing at the speed of this. All the weather, temperature is this, pressure is this, humidity, maximum temperature, minimum temperature. So all of that information is shown here in Fahrenheit, degree, etc. What it's giving value in. You can study this and you get all that information. This is the result. The next. So what are the next APIs? In this API, what we were getting, we want to get the current weather data. So we checked it by city name. Now suppose we want to check by city ID. So it is almost similar. Instead of location, we have to find the ID. You can find the list of IDs here. Okay, so let's work with this only. @test public void #05 5 is used, so let it make it 6. Inverted commas are missing. We would get a response when the parameters are sorry, not when, first it would be given, that what is given, the parameters are given. What are the parameters? First of all, ID. Let's put this ID. This is the ID. Now the next parameter. The next parameter is the auth ID. Okay. That is this ID, app ID. What is my app ID? Is this one. See. When get, what is the want I want to get? This URL. Open this till weather. Okay. So I want to get the response, and then I want to check assert asserts equals response dot get status code. What should be the status code? Status code should be 200. And also let's print the response. Response dot as string. It will print the whole response. So now run this. Okay, so test case is passed. Okay, and also it has returned the response code. If you go to your JSON reader, go to text and copy this, paste this, sorry, and check in the viewer, you will see that you will get a similar type of report. Okay, because these are the methods available. These are the various APIs to get the current weather by city name or by city ID. For a practice, take another API showing you how to work with different parameters. Here we have a zip code. Zip. Okay, and the zip code and the country. Let me give the zip code of Delhi, comma, followed by the country code. The country code is IN. And else would remain the same. Now run this. See, you get the details, latitude, longitude, every details you need to know. Country is IN, sunrise timing, sunset timing, clouds, degrees, etc. This is how you can work with GET request. You can also work with different APIs. You can get the current weather report, you can get the 5-hour report, 6-hour report. So you can access all these APIs and a great documentation. This is the API documentation which is available. We have studied by city name, by city ID, by zip code. You can work with other stuff. Parameters of API respond is JSON and XML. Okay, it get the JSON as well as XML. Was the JSON part we were checking. It also returns the XML. This is the XML. Try these get statements and make sure you are not bombarding them. That's all. From the next session we will study about put request